Hello everyone. Today I have a very useful video for you. If you are trying to send a text message but the option to switch between your dual SIM cards is completely missing from the Google Messages app, it can be incredibly frustrating. I will show you exactly how to reset your app and network settings to bring that SIM selection button back instantly. Let's get started. First, open your phone's main settings app and scroll down to find the Apps or App Management section. Tap on it, open your full app list, and use the search bar to find the standard Messages app. Once you open its app info page, tap on Force Stop to halt any background glitches. Then look for the option to uninstall updates, which is often located in the menu behind the three dots in the top corner. Doing this clears out any recently installed buggy software updates that might be hiding your dual SIM toggle. Next, pull down your phone's notification shade from the top of the screen to access your quick settings panel. Tap on the airplane mode icon to turn it on, wait for about 10 seconds, and then tap it again to turn it back off. This simple trick forces your device to completely disconnect and reconnect to your cellular provider, actively refreshing the connection for both of your SIM cards. Now, go back into your main settings app and tap on SIM cards and mobile networks, or network and internet. Look for the default preference settings for both calls and SMS messages. Instead of having one specific SIM card selected, change these options to Ask Every Time or Always Ask. Finally, reopen your Messages app. You will see that the dual SIM selection button has successfully reappeared right next to your text box, so you can choose which number to use. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.